Good evening. Thank you so very much for supporting nurses and attending tonight's festivities. We appreciate your donations to help nurses during these challenging times. During tonight's ceremony, you can cheer and congratulate others in the Zoom webinar chat. The only way any of this work is done is through the leadership, guidance, and efforts of both the Louisiana Nurses Foundation Board of Trustees and the Louisiana State Nurses Association Board of Directors. You can see their names listed in your program. We are blown away by the response from our partners this year. It is only through donations such as each of yours and our sponsors that this event and all of the mission-based programs of the Foundation are possible. Our benefactor sponsor is LCMC. They are committed to funding needed programs through LNF. Our champion sponsors are the Franciscan Missionaries of Our Lady Health System and Ochsner Health. This evening you will be welcomed by all three of these key supporters. We appreciate all of our sponsors. All of the sponsors have been supportive of the LNF programs during these uncertain times during the COVID pandemic. Please help me recognize our guardian sponsors, who are Blue Cross Blue Shield of Louisiana, Thibodaux Regional Medical Center, and Women's Hospital. Our caregiver sponsors are the Cardiovascular Hospital of Louisiana and Crescent Crown Distributing. Our advocate sponsors are the Baton Rouge District Nurses Association, Lane Regional Medical Center, the law offices of Gia Kismatis, and Ochsner LSU Shreveport. Our underwriter sponsors are the Louisiana Healthcare Connections and the Society of Pediatric Nurses Louisiana Chapter. We are exceptionally proud to announce that Chad Sabady will again serve as the Master of Ceremonies. He is the WDSU Morning News Anchor in New Orleans, Louisiana. Chad not only brings you the news and the sports of the day, but he also works with a number of local charities and organizations in the capital city as their event MC, and he enjoys covering positive news stories. Chad has excelled in broadcast news for over 15 years. While he is presenting a number of awards this evening, none of them will tug at his heart like last year when his mother won 2020 Clinical Nurse of the Year. Please help me welcome a fellow child of a nurse and huge fan of nurses, Chad Sabady.
Thank you so much and good evening, everyone. It truly is an honor for me to join you this evening as we come together to recognize excellence in nursing here in Louisiana. The thousands of selfless, hardworking, compassionate, and all-around rock star nurses have been the true heroes over these past 20 months. My mom, Kay, a nurse for more than 40 years, recently retired, and my sister, Ashley, and several other relatives are also proud nurses. We're very proud of them and, of course, all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Louisiana Nurses Foundation's annual Nightingale Awards. I am Denise Dana, Board President of the Louisiana Nurses Foundation. Thank you for joining us tonight. The Louisiana Nurses Foundation provides grants, scholarships, education, and recognition of professional nurses across the state. The Foundation's annual Nightingale Awards recognize excellence in nursing practice and is one of our most important annual fundraising events. We want to thank all of you who have supported this event through the nomination process. While there will be one winner selected to receive each Nightingale Award this evening, it is a privilege to recognize all our nominees as the best in our profession. The complete list of nominees is listed in your program. We thank all of our nominees for bringing excellence to what they do as a nurse, and our institutional nominees for fostering an environment of excellence. The Foundation has made significant progress on the Sister Lucy Leonard Recovery Nurse Support Fund. This new fund will help provide financial relief to those nurses recovering from a substance abuse disorder. These funds will provide nurses with support as they commit to long-term recovery. A portion of last year's gala went to support the Sister Lucy Fund. This program is now fully operational And please visit lsna.org to donate to or apply for this life-changing program. We can only do this work with a dedicated, hardworking Board of Trustees. Thank you to our officers. Chad Sullivan, Vice President, Barbara Morvant, Treasurer, Barbara McGill, Secretary. And thank you to our board members, Dr. Anielle Burks, Dr. Benita Chapman, Dr. Cynthia Prestholt, and Dr. Ecoy Rooney.
Welcome to the 2021 Nightingale Awards Gala, sponsored by LCMC Health. We are so proud of our year-round support for the Louisiana Nurses Foundation and the Louisiana State Nurses Association. LCMC Health's ongoing support of our nurses isn't just seen here tonight, it's present every day at each of our hospitals.
What is it about LCMC Health that differentiates us from anyone else?
We do those little extras. We take care of each other.
It's a unit where we are working together to make everyone feel like they're part of something special.
When you walk the halls, you feel it. You feel the warmth, the greeting, the smiles.
I see LCMC Health as a very community-focused organization.
I can absolutely tell you it is like a family.
We lean together, we work together, we succeed together.
No matter which hospital you work for, it all still feels like family.
Everyone's role is respected and their voice is heard.
You are not only the decision makers, but you also are a part of the planning in the process.
And we make sure that we give superior care.
Congratulations to all of our extraordinary nurses who have been nominated this evening. We're so proud of each of you and all of our nurses at LCMC Health. We know the best care comes from the best people, and your nomination tonight highlights your dedication to our patients and to our community. Thank you for all you do, and congratulations.
Hi, I'm Tracy Moffitt, System Chief Nursing Officer and Vice President of Quality for the Ochsner Health System. It is a thrill to be one of the sponsors for tonight's Nightingale Awards Gala. It's a joy to celebrate the best of our nurses and hospitals and healthcare providers throughout our state. And this prestigious award really brings recognition to the incredible nurses, friends, and colleagues who we work beside every single day, who provide care for our loved ones day in and day out, and who really make meaningful contributions that enhance the care we provide and improve nursing practice. Nominations for the Nightingale Award nurses are really about consistent delivery of exemplary patient care. From the bottom of my heart and on behalf of the Ochsner Health System, I want to congratulate each and every nominee and every nurse who's being recognized as a winner tonight. Thank you so much.
Welcome to the 2021 Louisiana State Nurses Association Nightingale Gala. On behalf of the executive team at Our Lady of the Lake, I am Nicole Telliard, the Chief Nursing Officer for Our Lady of the Lake, and so proud to be a sponsor of this event tonight. We are so honored to be here to celebrate, recognize, and appreciate all of the nurses in the audience tonight, and especially those being recognized as honorees at this event. We want to let you know how much we appreciate all of your hard work and perseverance that you have given to us over the past few years. No wonder that nurses remain the most trusted profession throughout the world. We also know that there are many families here tonight celebrating with you virtually. I would like to express my appreciation and thank each of our family members who are here to support our nurses as they give of their gifts and talents and come to work each day. On behalf of the ministry, we appreciate and just thank you and welcome you to this virtual event.
I am privileged to introduce the Louisiana State Nurses Association Hall of Fame Award. This category recognizes the contribution of the nursing community and is open to members and non-members. While all of the award categories are significant, the most prestigious is induction into the Louisiana Nurses Hall of Fame. This designation recognizes a registered nurse's lifelong commitment to the profession of nursing and the subsequent impact on the health or social history of Louisiana. These nurses have practiced in Louisiana for at least 10 years and have participated in Louisiana State Nurses Association, the American Nurses Association, and other professional nursing organizations, have demonstrated leadership, and have contributed to an enduring achievement that has value beyond the nurse's own lifetime. Tonight, we are proud to introduce a colleague into our Nursing Hall of Fame. It's exciting. Dr. Demetrius Porsche. Congratulations, Dr. Porsche. Dr. Demetrius Porsche is both a professor and dean of the Louisiana State University's Health and Health Sciences Center School of Nursing and holds appointment in the School of Public Health and the School of Graduate Studies. He has founded the first American Journal of Men's Health and currently serves as editor-in-chief. He has published more than 90 peer-reviewed journal articles, including 6 systematic reviews and 3 books. He is a member of the American Organization for Nurse Leadership Publication Committee. He is certified as a clinical nurse specialist in community health nursing and family practice. He has a passion for providing primary care services to underserved populations with a special interest in men's health and men's health disparities. He is a lifelong learner, having recently completed certificate programs from Villanova University in government contract management, human resource management, and Six Sigma Green Belt. He serves as a consultant in the areas of governance, leadership, regulation, and program development and evaluation at the local, regional, and national levels. He also serves as a men's health consultant to the Men's Health Network in Washington, D.C. Dr. Porsche presently serves on 7 journal editorial boards, including the European Journal of Health, the Journal of Nursing, the Open Nursing Journal, and the American Journal of Men's Health. Besides Dr. Porsche's scholarly endeavors, he has served on the Board of Governors for the Commission on Collegiate Nursing Education and is on the CCNE Report Review Committee. He is currently on the board of the American Colleges of Nursing, the AACN, and is their grassroots liaison to bridge connections between their organization and members of Congress. He serves as the president of the Southern Nursing Research Society and chairs the Nurse Resident Task Force at the University Medical Center in New Orleans. He is currently serving on 3 of the governor's COVID-19 task force committees. He has served as president of the Louisiana State Board of Nursing for 2 terms. He has chaired the Louisiana State Nurses Association Education Committee in the past and currently serves on the Health Policy Committee. Dr. Porsche is a fellow of Sigma Theta Tau International and a fellow in the Society of Luther Christman Fellows for contribution to nursing by men. He has served as a national mentor in the Sigma Theta Tau International Chiron Mentoring Program and as a mentor to novice deans for the American Association College of Nurses. He was inducted as a fellow in the American Academy of Nurse Practitioners and the American Academy of Nursing and the American College of Healthcare Executives. He is also a National League for Nursing Fellow. He has served as the National University Representative on the Council of Accreditation of Nurse and Anesthesia Education Programs. Dr. Porsche has a long history of service on numerous professional, community service organizations and is presently involved with 10 different organizations: Women Against Prostate Cancer Advisory Council, Southern Regional Education Board, the Great 100 Nurses Foundation, the Men's Health Network Advisory Board, the Louisiana State Board of Nursing, the American Assembly for Men in Nursing Foundation Board, and the American Academy of Nursing Expert Panel on Primary Care and Infectious Disease. It is a privilege to recognize and induct Dr. Demetrius Porsche into the Louisiana State Nurses Hall of Fame. Congratulations, Dr. Porsche.
The Louisiana Action Coalition is a coalition of organizations whose mission is to advance the health of Louisiana citizens through a strong, diverse nursing profession. The Louisiana State Nurses Association is a founding member organization of the coalition and the Louisiana Nurses Foundation, currently serves as its fiscal agent. In 2015, the Louisiana Action Coalition launched its first Leadership Institute to prepare registered nurses for the next steps in their professional journeys. As of 2020, there have been more than 150 nurses who completed the Institute and 27 who received the Nurse Leadership Institute Fellow designation. At this time, I would like to introduce Lisa Deaton. Lisa is a founding member of the Louisiana Action Coalition and is currently serving as a member of the coalition's executive team. Lisa is responsible for the coordination of the Nurse Leadership Institute.
Thank you, Denise. The Louisiana Action Coalition for the Future of Nursing has recognized the critical need to invest in grooming new nurse leaders to succeed retiring nurses and to develop a support system for those serving in managerial positions in today's healthcare environment. In 2020, there were an additional 27 registered nurses who completed the Nurse Leadership Institute. We are immensely proud of those nurses and the 8 who went on to complete the additional 9-month mentorship program, including development of a leadership project. All of this amidst a worldwide pandemic. I am honored to announce the 2020 fellows and their leadership project titles. Michelle Dennis, Super Huddle. Deborah Evan, Conducting Courageous Conversations. Jen Garnett, the Initiative for Mental Health through Peer Alliance and Community Training. Denise Linton, an innovative teaching strategy for nurse practitioner student leaders. Rachel Nickel, standardizing critical care skills, unit-based competencies for the medical surgical intensive care unit. Leanne Prisk, growing nurse leaders, empowerment of frontline nurses through leadership self-development. Samantha Schmidt, patient satisfaction experience. And Lindy Taylor, improving morale of the emergency department. Please give these fellows a round of applause for their commitment to being an outstanding nurse leader. Thank you to all.
The 2020-2021 Molly C. and Lorene B. Woodard Scholarships for undergraduate nursing students were awarded to Adrian Allridge from LSU Health Science Center in New Orleans, to Brianna Benfer from Northwestern State University of Louisiana, to Jamie Johnson from Louisiana College, and Diavian Joseph from Dillard University, and to Briston Thevenot from Southeastern Louisiana University. The recipients of the Joanne Clark Graduate Nursing Education Awards for 2020-2021 were Kim Gatlin, a DNP student from Southeastern Louisiana University. She received the Anna Gallagher American Nurses Foundation Scholarship administered by LNF. Katie P. Welsh, an MSN student from the University of Louisiana at Monroe. She received the Fresenius Kaby American Nurses Foundation Scholarship administered by LNF. And finally, Robin R. Wood, a DNP student from Northwestern State University of Louisiana who received an LNF scholarship. Hearty congratulations to all of these LNF scholarship recipients.
What an amazing amount of talent that has been shared so far tonight. This year's Nightingale Awards mean more than ever as nurses work day in and day out. Celebrations are few and far between. The Nightingale Awards celebrate the activities, commitment, and dedication of nurses during this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the fourth wave of COVID, 2021 had the second highest number of Nightingale nominees in the history of the awards. All nominees and nominators should feel very proud that you are taking positive steps to show how much you value the good of nursing and healthcare overall. Please join us in celebrating the following nominees and award winners.
The Advanced Practice Nurse of the Year Award honors a Louisiana Advanced Practice nurse for outstanding direct patient care. This category includes nurse practitioners, nurse midwives, nurse anesthetists, and clinical nurse specialists who demonstrate advanced clinical expertise, which improves patient outcomes and impacts wellness for a population of patients. And the winner of the Advanced Practice Nurse of the Year Award is Annie Barahona with South Central Louisiana Human Service Authority. Congratulations.
Good evening. My name is Stacy Sullivan, and I'm the Chief Nursing Officer at Lane Regional Medical Center in Zachary, Louisiana. It's my honor to be here tonight to announce the award winner for the Clinical Nurse Educator of the Year Award. The Clinical Nurse Educator of the Year is given to an outstanding nursing educator involved in nursing programs in Louisiana. The Clinical Nurse Educator will have made significant impact on nursing students entering the profession, as well as students pursuing advanced degrees. And the clinical nursing educator will have demonstrated the highest level of clinical expertise. The nominees also participate in professional or educational nursing organizations and mentor students to the profession of nursing, including participation in nursing organizations. The 2021 Nightingale Clinical Nurse Educator of the Year goes to Tamika Westbrook from the Franciscan Missionaries of Our Lady of the Lake Health System. Congratulations, Tamika.
Clinical Nurse of the Year is a special award because it recognizes nurses with direct patient care. These nurses are the ones who touch lives daily. The winner for Clinical Practice Nurse of the Year is Rachel Nickel from University Medical Center, New Orleans. The Contribution to Quality Award recognizes a registered nurse who serves in the roles of quality assurance, informatics, performance improvement, evidence-based practice, nurse researcher, or public health nurse. The winner of the Contribution to Quality Award is Lisa Hickey from East Jefferson General Hospital.
And I am the Administrative Assistant for Louisiana State Nurses Association and Louisiana Nurses Foundation. Today, I have the honor of announcing the Nursing Administrator of the Year. The Nursing Administrator of the Year Award recognizes the registered nurse who serves in a key nursing leadership role, administers the business of patient care activities of a healthcare organization, and manages other personnel. The recipient demonstrates excellence in nursing practice within the agency, uses leadership skills, quality measures, and evidence-based initiatives to improve nursing practice, while also mentoring and developing the nurses. Personal and organizational commitment to lifelong learning and participation in the state nurses organization and other professional organizations are also important characteristics for the Nurse Administrator of the Year. This category is highly competitive, and there were 10 extraordinary nominees. And the 2021 Nursing Administrator of the Year is Jason Rogers from Franciscan Missionaries of Our Lady Health System. Congratulations, Jason.
The Nursing Educator of the Year Award is given to an outstanding nursing educator involved in a formal undergraduate or graduate level nursing program in Louisiana. The nurse educator will have made a significant impact on students entering the profession, as well as students pursuing advanced nursing degrees. And the nurse educator will have demonstrated clinical expertise and excellence in classroom presentation. The 2021 Nightingale Award for Nursing Educator of the Year is presented to Deidre Harrington from the University of Louisiana Lafayette.
Hey Louisiana nurses, my name is Maria Nix. I'm a nurse and a system educator at Ochsner Health in New Orleans. Louisiana continues to produce excellent nurses at the undergraduate and graduate levels. This would not be possible without the dedicated individuals who serve as administrators for our nursing programs. The Nursing School Administrator of the Year recognizes the administrator of a nursing program or a division with a School of Nursing. In addition to demonstrating significant accomplishments for the School of Nursing they administer, they must provide evidence of innovative leadership and participate in professional organizations. The 2021 Nightingale Award for Nursing School Administrator of the Year is presented to Dana Clausen of Northwestern University. Congratulations, Dana.
Good evening. My name is Michael Tipton. I'm the president of the Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Louisiana Foundation, as well as head of community relations at Blue Cross. It's good to be with you all this evening. And I'm here tonight to present the Outstanding Community Achievement Award for a registered nurse. The nurses who are nominated for this award, as do so many nurses in our state, demonstrate exemplary leadership and volunteer activities with community organizations, be they churches, be they nonprofits, all of which are yielding really outstanding positive impact in communities across our state and for people across our state. So without further ado, it is my pleasure to announce the 2021 Nightingale Award for Outstanding Community Achievement, which goes to Stacy Wisniewski of University Medical Center, New Orleans. Congratulations, Stacy.
Baptiste, and I am the Administrative Assistant for Louisiana State Nurses Association and Louisiana Nurses Foundation. Tonight, I have the honor of announcing the award for Outstanding Employer or Facility of the Year other than the hospital. The award for Outstanding Employer or Facility of the Year other than the hospital recognizes an employer of registered nurses that demonstrates recognition for professional nursing and innovation in leadership. The award addresses measures of professional nursing growth within the facility, organizational initiatives supportive of nursing practice, and support for nursing participation in professional organizations. The 2021 Outstanding Employer Facility of the Year other than the hospital is Louisiana Healthcare Connections. Congratulations.
I'm the president of the Baton Rouge District Nurses Association and vice president of nursing at Our Lady of the Lake Ascension. I am happy to announce the winner of the Registered Nurse Mentor of the Year. It is in the spirit of helping others that many of our professional mentors commit themselves every day of their lives. To earn this award, there must be evidence of professional development of mentees, with comments from employers, colleagues, and mentees. And I have the envelope. I'm going to open it and tell you who our Nurse Mentor of the Year is. It is with great pleasure that I announce the 2021 Registered Nurse Mentor of the Year, Monica Frederick of Women's Hospital. Congratulations, Monica.
Good evening. My name is Ashley Duhon, the president of the Society of Pediatric Nurses, Louisiana chapter. The Nursing School of the Year undergraduate degree program recognizes a school of nursing offering formal education to students seeking initial licensure as a registered nurse. The nominated school must be in good standing with the Louisiana State Board of Nursing. And the 2021 Nursing School of the Year undergraduate degree program is Franciscan Missionaries of Our Lady University. Congratulations.
Good
Good evening. My name is Wendy Singleton, and I'm the Associate Chief Nursing Officer at Women's Hospital in Baton Rouge. I'm pleased to be here with you tonight to present the award for the Nursing School of the Year Graduate Degree Program. This award recognizes the School of Nursing offering formal education for registered nurses seeking graduate degrees for advanced practice roles, as well as nursing administration, nursing education, and research. Let's see who the winner is. The 2021 Nursing School of the Year Graduate Degree Program is Southern University School of Nursing. Congratulations.
The first few years of any professional practice can be both rewarding and frightening. But with the right attitude and proper support, there are rookie nurses out there who are thriving. The Rookie of the Year Award honors a registered nurse who, while practicing less than 2 years, exhibits awareness of the practice of nursing and professionalism while delivering nursing care. Nominees have shown consistency in their job experience and a commitment to personal growth. This year, the winner of the Rookie of the Year Award is Sarah Smith from the University Medical Center in New Orleans. A Hospital of the Year Award honoree must clearly demonstrate its concern for nursing values and recognition of RN achievements within the organization. Nurses at these facilities are known for their participation in professional organizations and the support of their activities by the hospital. The Hospital of the Year is a successful and special place because of the true impact of professional registered nursing care. The winner of the 2021 Hospital of the Year with 60 beds or less, congrats to New Orleans East.
Greetings, I'm Tasha Bajoran, Director for Population Health at Blue Cross Blue Shield, Louisiana. The award criteria for the 61 to 160 bed Hospital of the Year category includes innovation through nursing leadership and management, best practices of organizational initiatives supportive of nursing practice, and support for nursing participation in professional organizations. And the winner is Lane Regional Medical Center in Zachary, Louisiana. Congratulations.
As for the large Hospital of the Year, 161 beds or greater, it certainly is one of the most competitive awards statewide with plenty of strong applications. This year was no exception. The winner of the 2021 Hospital of the Year, again with 161 beds or more, congrats to University Medical Center, New Orleans.
Hello. It's exciting to participate in the 2021 Registered Nurse of the Year Award. You know, there are more than 67,000 registered nurses in Louisiana, and simply being nominated is an honor in itself. My mother was a registered nurse for many years, so I know firsthand the many sacrifices that all of you make every single day. As I often say, you are truly doing the Lord's work. While only one person can be named the Registered Nurse of the Year, we're grateful to all of you who have answered the call to be part of this honorable profession. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The 2021 Louisiana Registered Nurse of the Year is Valerie Jackson with the Ochsner Health System. Among her many accomplishments, Valerie designed the VRK Conveyo stretcher to assist medical personnel with lifting and moving patients from the stretcher to the bed. She has designed workflows for COVID testing and vaccinations that keep patients out of the clinics, and she set up community-based testing sites and mass vaccination sites. Her efforts have been used throughout all of our state. On behalf of the people of Louisiana, thank you, Mrs. Jackson, and all nurses for what you do to keep us safe. And God bless.
Thank you so much for this special opportunity. We hope you feel renewed and invigorated celebrating all of the amazing work being done here in Louisiana. Dr. Denise Dana will provide some closing thoughts.
It has been an exciting night celebrating nursing excellence across Louisiana. Thank you for participating in this evening's virtual awards. Hopefully we can meet in person next year. Congratulations to all of our nominees and award recipients.
Good evening again. On behalf of the Louisiana Nurses Foundation, congratulations to all of our nominees and award recipients. We are grateful for your incredible generosity. Thank you to our sponsors who stood with the Louisiana Nurses Foundation during these challenging times. Thank you to the best Master of Ceremonies ever, Chad Sabady. As we close this evening, I'm reminded of a quote from Margaret Mead that fits with nursing and those of us who support nurses. Never doubt that a group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has.
Good evening, Louisiana nurses, loved ones, and healthcare organizations. My name is Keisha, and I'm here to thank you on behalf of the Northwell Health Nurse Choir. Thank you for being on the front lines of care day in and day out, many times with neither acknowledgement nor support. You are being asked to do impossible things, facing a pandemic with limited resources, while the devastating hurricanes of Laura and Ida destroyed your homes and communities. Our hearts go out to you. One truth I know with all my heart is that nurses are strong. Nurses are resourceful and resilient. Nurses will always rise up despite challenges and obstacles. As nurses, we are in this together. We may be bent, but we are never broken. With hope, we will rise like the day 1,000 times again. Thank you.